How to create great Instagram Reels with Canva. So first of all, you're gonna have to enter your Canva account. In our case, we're just gonna do this in our mobile device. You can do it anywhere you want, maybe your website, your desktop, but in our case, we're doing it here since we're gonna be uploading an Instagram Reel with our media. So what will we design it today? We're gonna go to our social media and we're gonna choose Instagram and then Instagram Reel. So first of all, if you want to go ahead and create something that is technically great, you have to think of the idea that is usually liked by multiple people. So you're asking for content or something like a good topic and not really just formats. So you got pretty good performing ones. You got food content, you got maybe tech or gadgets. But in our case, it is still somewhat pretty popular. We will put in pets. So specifically cats. So if we want to go ahead and start, we're going to upload our media. You could just do it directly here, but we do have our media ready, which is a video of a cute little cat. Over here we have tree for some reason, but other than your source or whatever, you don't really need crazy editing skills or anything since Canva is somewhat an easy use tool. So what you usually have to do is to just drop in your clips or photos, which we already did. Then you can keep everything short and fast paced. Since you're talking about Instagram, lots of viewers can be with a short attention span maybe, but you can add big captions if you'd like. You have the text tool because most people will scroll if it doesn't have any sound. Canva already has animations, you could choose them if you'd like, and even trending style text. So it's going to be here, maybe in the font combinations. You take a look as there are a lot of options you can choose from. So you could play around with elements without really overcomplicating it, and it's much better to keep your reel around 5 to 15 seconds. In our case, it is just 12 seconds, making the first second interesting. So they'll see a cat, incredible, so they'll keep maybe watching the video, and then you don't have to overcrowd it. So most of the time, simple can makes a video interesting somehow, but you can also add music if you'd like. You can just upload it using Instagram standing audio, but once you get the hang of it, you can pump out a bunch of reels using Canva all in one sitting. So if you stick to a niche like maybe cats or food, again, pretty much depends on what your profile is since people are gonna expect that from you, but that's really how people start growing fast. So at this point, we're done with editing. I literally just put like two elements, but in our case, in our view, I think it's already pretty good. We can just upload, or I mean save the Canva project, and we can just upload it to our Instagram. It all pretty much depends on creativity. Of course, you could edit it as much as you like, and that can get yourself lots of views, but again, all depending on you. So hopefully the idea can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.